In this video, I'll show you how to change the password of the Debian user on your Scuttle robot. So first you're going to need to connect to your Scuttle's Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go, and if you're on Windows or a Mac, just do whatever you need to do to connect to your Scuttle's Wi-Fi. And now I'm connected to my Scuttle. I'm going to use a terminal to SSH into my BeagleBone. If you're using PuTTY, that's fine as well. It's important that you use the right IP address. The BeagleBone's default gateway for its hotspot is 192.168.8.1, while USB is 192.168.7.2. If you're connected over USB and you try to SSH into using the 8.1 address, that won't work unless you're connected to its Wi-Fi. If you're connected to its Wi-Fi and you try to use the 7.2 address, that won't work because that is for the USB interface on the BeagleBone. So make sure you're using the right IP address. In the terminal, I'm using SSH. Then you have the username at the IP address that I'm going to SSH into, which is our BeagleBone. So we can put in our password. And once we're in our Scuttle, we are signed in as our Debian user, as you can see here. And the Debian user has the permissions to change its own password. So we don't need to be root, we don't need to sudo su or anything. We can just type in passwd, which is short for password, and then hit enter. It'll ask you what your current password is, so you can type that in and then hit enter, and then you can put in a new password and then repeat that password, and then you'll get password updated successfully. So now you've changed the password of the Debian user on your Scuttle. So this concludes our video tutorial of changing the password on the BeagleBone Blue.